guys, sorry about the camera quality, it's just my phone. Got an unboxing for you today. I ordered some Airsoft stuff off of Evike. This is it. It should be, it weighs 6 pounds. I already know what's in here, so let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Just got home from school, so I'm a bit tired. Okay. Tactical brown packing paper. You know, same old, same old. First thing I got is some fake sappy plates. I got a MOPC plate carrier and a single shingle mag pouch. Holds 3. You know, shipping stuff, receipt. Same old, same old. Let's get rid of this box. Well, everything shipped pretty well. It shipped quick. I ordered it over the weekend, and well, I ordered it last weekend, and it came here pretty quick for Evike at least. Most of this is Condor, except for the plate carrier. I think that's, what is that? That's some weird company, I can't remember. Everything seems nice. Pretty nice material. Happy with my purchase. It got here pretty quick, like I said.